Hi everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Happy Wednesday and Thursday na. Ilang oras na lang. It is Thursday. So, basa tayo ng collective general reading today para sa inyong lahat. So, pasensya na dun sa mga naghihintay ng aking upload. It's been 7 days. Okay? Now. So, upload tayo and sorry for my nails. Kung makikita ninyo, medyo madumi. Yung mga lupa-lupa kasi ako yung naglilinis ng bahay. Okay, so gawa tayo ng collective general reading. Energy ng person mo or energy mo when it comes sa love. Okay, so love reading tayo ulit. Upload na lang ako ulit ng pick a card reading maybe bukas. Okay? So, take what's resonate guys and leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate, okay lang. Huwag ipilit. Okay? And wag rin masyadong mag-focus sa zodiac sign. Okay? Po pwede kasing you have the sign in your natal chart sa moon. Okay? Sa Venus, sa Sun. Okay? Or rising. Okay? Collective general reading for my viewers today. Start na tayo guys ha. So random deck ang gagamitin natin. Hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal pero kapag feeling ko kailangan basahin ng reversal, I will read the card in reversal. Okay. So titingnan natin yung person on your mind, whether this is a chatmate, a person getting to know each other pa lang. Okay. New person or ka-MU or crush or ex-husband or ex-boyfriend. So, titingnan natin. So, I hope makuha natin yung energy ninyo, guys, and ng person nyo. Okay. Yung sa mga nagtatanong ng personal reading, magaan na po ako ha. Magbibigay ako ng announcement kung kailan po pwedeng magpo-personal reading. Reading natin is through video. Okay? Hindi po pwede yung question sa money, sa third party. Okay? Hindi po ako magbibigay ng reading sa third party, sa money, or sa health. Okay, guys? So, sana maintindihan ninyo. So, iba't ibang haba yon ng video. Merong 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. Pinakamahaba po is 1 oras. Okay. So, antabayanan nyo na lang guys yung announcement. Okay, start na tayo. Lower your volume kasi mamaya baka malakas yung nung video natin or yung pag-shuffle. Eight of Swords, Air Sign, Hierophant. Bakit meron akong nararamdaman, guys, na yung iba sa inyo is parang feeling trap, if I'm not mistaken. Kung tama ba yung word na sabi ko, feeling trap. Or natatakot lang mag-decide. Or, tingnan natin ha. Yung iba sa inyo, meron akong nakikita na can be an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, sa Libra. Yung iba sa inyo, feeling trapped over a situation. Siguro walang magawa na lang, hindi makapag-desisyon. Kasi po pwedeng hiwalay na kayo nung person. Okay? Or whether kung ikaw is traditional, this person can be older than you. Okay? Tingnan pa natin. Or po pwedeng pinagbawalan kayo dito sa person na to kasi magkaiba kayo ng belief, magkaiba kayo ng value. Uh, Titingnan natin kung anong situation yung makukuha natin ngayon. Knight of Cups, water sign. Five of Pentacles, earth sign. The Hangman. Page of Swords. Uy! Five of Swords, feeling defeated. And Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Someone here is meron ako nakikita dito na mapalalaki or babae man, meron ako nakikita dito na malakas na someone feeling trapped or restricted, pinagbawalan, or feeling niya parang wala siyang magagawa. Feeling niya nakahang siya. Okay? Two cards signifying feeling trapped. Kasi the Hangman and the Eight of Swords is signifying an isolation or feeling trapped over a situation. Po pwedeng yung isa is yun nga, pinagbawalan, hindi, alam mo yun, yung maraming hindi sang-ayon or nakipaghiwalay. Or feeling nung person na nakukuha kong energy dito is having an anxiety and napipressure siya kasi hindi niya alam kung ila-let go ba niya yung person or not, or isa-sacrifice. Okay, isa-sacrifice yung connection niya between sa kanilang dalawa. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito, po pwedeng traditional or magkaiba ng values kayo ng person mo or vice versa, guys. Or magkaiba ang estado ng buhay ninyo. Meron ako nakikita. Or po pwedeng sword is a mind. You have a self-limiting or merong isa sa inyo nung person na iniisip mo right now na nililimitahan yung sarili niya. O pwedeng through negative thinking, nag-iisip ng negative na, ay, wala na mangyayari sa aming dalawa or hindi na kami magkakaayos or alam mo yon yung parang nililimitahan yung sarili, ina-isolate yung sarili, nawawalan ng pag-asa, mm, feeling lack of direction, feeling parang walang patutunguhan na yung o pwedeng relationship or connection doon sa person na iniisip mo right now. Vice versa yun guys, ha? Someone here is delaying a communication. O pwedeng delaying a communication or a conversation. Okay? Thinking muna or strategizing how to come forward to the other person. Kung ito yung person mo, if you are the feminine here and this person is the one who is overthinking and strategizing, limiting his self to go towards you, to offer you a love, an emotion, or pakikipagbate, a proposal, an offer, or nagpo-post muna siya, nag-iisip muna siya kung magte-take action siya, okay, over you. Kasi meron akong nakita dito na with the Five of Swords, kadalasan kasi ang Five of Swords is hindi magandang energy kasi yon. Whether um, this person is hindi marunong makipag-communicate ng maayos, or this person is nag-kept ng secret sa'yo, naging sneaky, hindi nagsabi ng totoo or nagsinungaling, okay? Or nagsabotage, okay, sa connection ninyo. Or, yun nga, deceptive. Okay? Meron ako nakikita dito, this person, ang clue nitong person na to, kung sino man tong energy na nakukuha ko guys, is this person is hindi naging tapat sa'yo. Naging deceptive tong person na to. Hindi siya magaling pwedeng manipulative siya, pero hindi siya magaling makipag-usap or hindi siya magaling mag-express ng emotion niya. Okay? O pwedeng this person, pero ano ako nakikita na this person is a giver or a kind person. O pwedeng this person is with the Hierophant and the Five Pentacles, ay the Six Pentacles, meron ako nakikita dito na po pwede may katungkulan tong person na to. Maganda yung ano ng pananalapi niya. Okay. This is a wealthy person or this person is may katungkulan. Okay, may katungkulan. O pwedeng independent, wealthy, pero meron ako nakikita dito na this person is kaya gusto niya mag-offer ng love sa'yo kasi you are in Nine of Pentacles right now. Energy which is independent, very beautiful, financial stable right now, or nakikita niya kasi na you are very stable right now, maganda yung finances mo, you are glowing, blooming, okay? You can be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, and this person can be a water sign or air sign. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Mhm. Ano to, gusto nitong makipagbati sa'yo. Pero ano ko nakita na kung sino man tong person na kukuha nating energy, this person wants to talk to you, wants to apologize, wants to offer some love, wants to offer a gesture of emotion, kung pwede. Okay? Pero meron ako nakikita kasi dito na ano pala to, this person is spying, okay? Spying on you sa malayo, maybe on social media or kung malapit lang to sa inyo, isa lang kayo ng community, this person is spying. Okay? Page of Wands. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person is planning. Okay, planning papunta sa'yo. Kung anong gagawin nito. Nagpa-plan to, nag-strategize to kung paano ka i-approach. Pero ano to eh, kung wala kayong communication nito or naka-block to sa'yo, meron ako nakikita dito na this person still may access sa'yo. I don't know how, pero may access pa rin siya, nakikita ka pa rin niya pa pwedeng using fake account. You're very abundant right now. Okay. O pwedeng ikaw yung nag-isolate ng sarili mo over, ikaw yung, hindi itong person na to, hindi niya na alam kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. Kasi, kung pwedeng you are very private on your whereabouts, okay. Being private, kung pwedeng private yung social media mo, hindi kayo pwedeng itong person na to na nakukuha natin is hindi kayo magkasundo. Meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan kasi hierophant is here. Pwedeng older than itong person na to, a traditional person. Okay? This is a traditional person. O pwedeng religious tong person na to or very knowledgeable. An old soul. Can be this person is an old soul. Okay, so tingnan natin yung outcome. The Sun. Leo. 8 of Wands. Sabi ko sa inyo, gusto nito makapag-communicate eh. Gusto nitong gusto itong makipag-usap sa'yo eh. Kaso, nag-iisip pa tong person na to kung paano kaya approach. 10 of Coins. Can be this person is a wealthy person. Earth sign again. 10 of Coins, 10 of Pentacles yan, guys. Can be a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Or po pwedeng nakikita niya na you are very financial stable ngayon. Okay yung trabaho mo. Or this person is masaya. Masaya nung kayo pa. The Sun. Masaya to sa'yo eh. Meron mo nakuha na kung pwedeng ikaw yung happiness niya. Ace of Wands. Sabi ko na nga eh. Kanina yung Page of Wands, tapos ngayon Ace of Wands. This person, kung pwede ko yung ginawa niyang inspirasyon, siguro naliwanagan to with the sun in the background. Nakita niyo yung sun. Naliwanagan to na ikaw talaga yung happiness niya. Gusto makapag-communicate nitong person. Kung pwedeng mag-send ng message sa'yo. mag-iwan ng letter sa'yo. Two of coins. Oh, sabi ko sa iyo this person is nag-strategize muna, delay muna. Dinelay niya muna yung actions niya. Delaying actions muna to kasi ano to nag-strategize. Titingnan niya muna, ginagather niya muna, inasikaso niya muna kung ano yung mga kailangan niya munang gawin or unahin. Bago pumunta towards sa'yo kasi siguro alam niya na you are the Nine of Pentacles, so you can be a high standard person. Po pwedeng alam niya na this time, hindi siya po pwedeng lumapit sa'yo nang wala siyang may offer. You can be, ano kaya, meron kasi ako nakikita na ano kaya, stable kang person Alam niya na hindi siya po pwedeng sa'yo lumapit na empty-handed, okay? Siguro kung before hindi kanya ginawang priority this time, ikaw ang ikaw ang pina-prioritize niya. Kaya nire-ready nito yung resources niya, yung sarili niya. The Fool. Diba? This person wants to have a leap of faith, new beginnings, papunta sa'yo. Gusto nito magkaroon kayo ng new beginning. Kung sino man tong person na to. King of Swords, air sign. Very logical kind of a person. Very intelligent person. This person is very logical mag-isip, matalino. This is a person with the head over heart to. Alam nito na siguro ganun din ang personality mo. You are very matalino din na person. Wise din. Okay? You are very wise. Alam nitong person na to. Pwedeng this person can be cold. Okay, pwedeng cold to. Yung attitude nito. King of Swords. High Priestess. Uy. Two of Cups. The High Priest. Oh my God. Pwedeng parehas kayong spiritual itong person na to. Pwedeng siya religious siya, ikaw naman spiritual. Pwedeng religious tong person na to. Ikaw naman is a divine feminine. You are very, very awakened. Spiritual ka. Can be a tarot reader. Queen of Swords. Oh my gosh! Queen of Swords and a King of Swords. Two of Cups. You love this person and this person also loves you. The Sun. Parehas yung mahal ng isa't isa, parehas kayong masaya sa isa't isa. Queen of Swords and King of Swords. It can be this is your long-time boyfriend. Meron na kayong foundation dito. It can be this person is your ex-husband or your husband. Okay? Kasi Ten of Coins signify a family, meron ng foundation, yung relationship po, pwedeng this person is yung long time boyfriend mo or long time partner mo na nagkahiwalay kayo. So, this is the confirmation na ito yung person na to, kung tinutukoy dito sa reading, yung nakuha nating energy. You have a mutual respect and love, okay, sa isa't isa, with the Sun and the Two of Cups, okay. Same kayo na very logical na person, matalino. Alam mo itong person na to eh. You can be a Virgo with a sign of air on your natal chart. Okay. Or fire sign, rising. Parang ganon. Meron ako nakikita ganyan. This person still loves you, guys. This person still loves you. Still thinking of you. This person is happy. Happy sa'yo. Kasi Two of Cup is here. You shared a mutual love and respect to each other. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kayo kung bakit kayo nag-separate nitong person na to or kung ano man yung nangyari between the two of you. O pwede siguro nabisi ito sa trabaho or mas priority nito yung trabaho niya. Okay. Or pwedeng hindi talaga kayo nagkahiwalay nito and this person is may gusto siya sa'yo or suitor pa lang siya or meron ako nakikita dito na ano eh, na gusto nito magkaroon ng ano eh, ng new beginning. Okay. Very spiritual. The other person is really religious while the other person is spiritual. Take what's resonate guys ha. So, tingnan nyo na lang kung ano yung mag-resonate sa inyo doon. Kuha tayo ng yin and yang na card for you. Guilt, sabotage. Ano sabi ko kanina? Sabotage behavior. Okay, po pwedeng may nagawa tong mali sa'yo and this person is guilty, want to apologize sa'yo kasi nandito yung Page of Cups, ay Knight of Cups, gusto makipagkasundo po pwedeng meron kayo nitong hindi pagkakaunawaan. And this person feels guilty about sabotaging your connection. Renewal spark. Anong sabi ko, 'di ba? This person wants to have a new start sa inyong dalawa. Wants to renew your connection. Ha? Kasi mahal ka pa nitong person to, masaya itong person sa'yo. Ooh, seeds. Spring. O pwedeng gusto ito magkaanak sa'yo. Or nakilala mo to ng springtime. Anyway, meron ako nakikita dito na this person wants to be with you because this person still loves you. Winter, rebirth. Oh, pwedeng this person is nagbago na. Kung ano man yung dahilan ng hindi niyo pagkakaunawaan before, pwedeng this person is nagbago na. Nagbagong buhay or um, na-realize ako ano yung pagkakamali niya before and this person, kapag ka nagpunta towards you, this is a new person na. Okay? Anong ibig ko sabihin? Baka naguguluhan kayo. Nagbago na siya. New person na siya. There is a rebirth na. Okay? Uy. Self-love. Intention. You can be, mas minahal mo yung sarili mo and nakita nyo ng person na ito na um, you are in Nine of Pentacles na, you love yourself, kaya na-realize niya yung worth mo or alam niya na ngayon yung worth mo as a person. Karma, balance, justice. Okay? So, po pwedeng um, someone here po pwedeng naka-receive ng karma or po pwedeng ito yung justice dun sa nangyari sa inyo. There is, with a two of coins and the balance here, and kung nakikita nyo dito, may six of, ano dito, pentacles dito, and meron ding balance dito. It can be this person is a Libra. Okay, so justice also. So, meron mangyayari na justice dun sa nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Parang ang gulo yata. May mangyayaring kapalit yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa na mabuti. Okay? Kasi magre-renew yung connection ninyo. O pwedeng someone experience a karma dahil doon sa ginawa niya sa'yo, kaya to nagbago, na-push siya magbago, ayusin yung sarili niya. And someone receiving a justice dahil doon sa ginawa sa kanya ng other person. Sana naiintindihan ninyo guys, ha? Hmm. 'Di ba? Nine of Pentacles, ego, vanity, and pride. Divine Feminine, this person um, still loves you, still have a high respect sa iyo, and you are in your feminine power right now. You are the Nine of Pentacles, okay? You can be a businesswoman, and you are completed your self-love journey. Memories, nostalgia. Okay? This person still missing, still thinking of you, missing you. Okay? This person is an overthinker. Okay? Kasi meron ako nakita ditong air sign to eh. This is an overthinker person. And kahit saan siya tumingin, ikaw yung naaalala niya. Okay? Ikaw ang naaalala nito. Kasi mahal ka pa nitong person na to eh. Eh, meron ako nakita dito na yung iba sa inyo hindi nyo 'to hinabol. Hindi kayo naghabol dito sa person na 'to. Isa 'yon sa nagugustuhan din niya sa inyo. Alam nyo yung worth ninyo. Mm. Pabayaan mo 'tong person na 'to na lumapit sa'yo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Last deck na ipupull natin, Hermit Tarot natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makukuha pa natin. Pwedeng sabihin niya sa inyo. Okay? Mahal ka pa nitong person na 'to. Meron ako nakita na yung iba sa inyo, this person is natatakot na ma-snatch ka ng iba. Kasi you are very beautiful and you are in a glow up right now. Kasi na-complete mo na yung self-love journey mo. Think before you act. Okay? So, this card, confirmation na this person is thinking muna bago siya kumilos. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo na dinelay muna nito yung gagawin niyang action towards you kasi nga alam niya na cutthroat ka din na kind of person eh. No BS kind of a person eh. Alam niya yon. Kaya nag-iisip to. Overthinker to eh. O pwedeng iniisip mo rin siya ha. Iniisip mo rin siya. Oh, I am addicted to you. Number 15, and you are right. Kung ano man yung sinabi mo dito sa person na to, sabi niya, you are right. This person still addicted sa'yo. Uy. Ano natin? No. I want a fresh start with you. Another confirmation that this person wants to have a fresh start with you, wants to renew the spark. Okay. I want to start a family with you. With the seed card here, this person wants to have a family with you. With the sun card, gusto nitong magkaanak sa'yo. I want to start a family with you. Number 10, with the 10 of coins kanina dito, 10 of pentacles, family. Also yon, this person wants to have a family with you. One, Ace of Pentacles or Knight of Pentacles to. You are so very special. Oh, this person knows na you are very special. Oh. Bottom of the deck is listen to your heart. Oh, listen to your heart, guys. This person still loves you and maybe baka mahal niyo pa rin tong person na to and you are both thinking right now sa isa't isa. Naisip niyo yung isa't isa. Kasi kung meron kang placement ng air or an earth sign, can be an overthinker din also katulad niya. Kapag ka minsan pumapasok to sa isip mo, this person is iniisip ka din. So, kuha tayo ng kanta. Kuha tayo ng kanta para sa inyo, guys. Kuha tayo ng kanta para sa aking mga viewers. Alam kong kilala nyo kung sino tong person na to. Meron akong nararamdaman na parang kirot sa puso ngayon. Siguro yung iba sa inyo naiiyak knowing na tong person na to na gusto ninyong mahagip yung energy sa mga pinapanood ninyong reading is iniisip ka rin. Iniisip ka nitong person na to eh. Kuha tayo ng songs. Kuha tayo ng 6 na songs para sa inyo. Okay. Tingnan natin. So, meron na tayong 3 songs. Kuha pa tayo ng another 3 para 6. Okay. 2 pa. Pakinggan nyo to guys ha, yung mga makukuha nating song. Kasi po pwedeng may message sa inyo dito. Okay, so 2. So, 6 na. So, tingnan natin. Ano yung mga songs na to? Song by Goo Goo Dolls, Irish. Cause all I can taste is this moment and all I can breathe is your life. So, sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight by Goo Goo Dolls. How to Save a Life, song by The Fray. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend. Can be this person is best friend mo, tas naging lover kayo. Somewhere along in the bitterness. And I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. White Flag by Dido. I know I left too much mess and distraction, confirming that po pwedeng may ginawa tong person na to sa inyo to come back again. And I caused nothing but trouble. I understand if you can talk to me again. And if you live by the rules of it's over, then I'm sure that makes sense. Hmm. O pwedeng alam nitong person na to na yung iba sa inyo is galit pa sa kanya or talagang ayaw na siyang kausapin. You know I'm no good. Oh my gosh, by Amy Winehouse. Upstairs in bed with my ex-boy, he's in a place but I can get joy. Thinking on you in the final throes, this is when my buzzer goes. Okay, so po pwedeng take it what's resonate guys, vice versa. Po pwedeng kahit na nagkaroon kayo ng other connection sa ibang tao, you still thinking each other or this person still thinks of you. Ikaw pa rin yung mahal niya or po pwedeng parehas kayo ng nararamdaman na mahal niyo pa rin ng isa't isa. Kahit na matagal na kayo naghiwalay. Meron ako nakuha dito na matagal na yung separation. Okay? Next. Song by Cisco, Incomplete. Oh, I just can't help loving you, but I love you much too late. O, di ba? For some of you, this person is late niya nang na-realize na mahal ka pa pala niya. I'd give anything and everything to hear you say that you'll stay. Oh my gosh. Oh, bless. Oh. This person still loves you, wants to have a family with you. With the seeds card kanina, gusto nitong magkaanak sa'yo. Gusto niyang ikaw yung maging nanay ng anak niya or gusto niyang maging ikaw yung tatay ng anak niya. Okay, last card. Forevermore by side A. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. Oh. This person is may nag-uumapaw na love pa rin sa'yo and nararamdaman ko yon. Guys, kung until now mahal nyo pa rin tong person na to and still waiting for the confirmation, if this person still thinking of you, kung sino man tong person na to, ito na yung confirmation na reading na oo, iniisip ka pa rin itong person na to na nasa isip mo. Okay? Kung mag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin, ha, listen to your heart. Kasi kung parehas kayo na very logical and analytical, and medyo may ego akong nakikita kasi with the vanity and pride and ego card, may mataas ang ego ninyo parehas eh. Eh meron ako nakikita walang magbaback down eh, walang aamin. Ang nakikita ko lang dito, po pwedeng wag nyo muna pairalin yung isip ninyo, wag muna kayo maging logical. Just listen to your heart. Kasi po pwedeng, alam mo yon, po pwedeng meron akong narinig or meron akong nakuha na once in a lifetime. Okay? So pakinggan niyo yung freestyle yata ang kumanta nun eh, once in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime. Narinig ko siya eh. Teka lang. anuhan natin yung once in a lifetime ng pre-style. Gusto ko lang marinig ninyo. Once in a lifetime. Hindi ko lang alam guys ha, kasi mamaya hindi kasi ako naka-premium eh. Tingnan natin sa Spotify. Pero pakinggan nyo to, yung once in a lifetime. Basta ito yun, yung kanta na yun, once in a lifetime. Tapos, yung lyrics niya is, alam ko kasi meron akong ano nun eh, nung lyrics na yun eh, pero ito yung lyrics niya. Kasi na ano ko na, narinig ko siya eh, na kailangan kong basahin sa inyo, once in a lifetime lyrics. Okay. Once in a lifetime song by Freestyle. Been thinking about you, baby. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, iniisip ko nito. And I don't know what to do. All I think about is you. Seems everything around me, things I've never understood, they all make sense when I'm with you. This person wants to be with you. I heard it all before, finding so-called love, then you leave it behind. But now I feel so sure. I listen to my heart this time. Listen to your heart. I listen to my heart this time, so I lay it on the line. I know that what I found is once in a lifetime. And I know there's no way out because it's once in a lifetime. Oh, oh, bless. Okay, so guys, this is our collective general reading. I hope nag-resonate sa inyo guys. And this person knows that this is once in a lifetime love. So this time, this person will listen to his or her heart. So maraming maraming salamat guys sa patuloy na panonood din pag-support kay Leluna. I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin. And please do subscribe if you're not subscribed pa. Consider subscribing. Like this video and share this video para mas lumaki pa yung community natin guys. So abangan ninyo yung aking mga susunod pang upload this coming Holy Week or weekend. Pick a card and general love reading again. Sa mga magpapa-personal reading, kindly wait yung announcement natin kung paano magpa-personal reading. Okay? So maraming maraming salamat. Again, this is La Luna Tarot. God bless and have a happy Thursday morning. Bye!